Hello, welcome to another video. 720 grams of white strong flour, the one that we use to make bread. So let's sieve all the flour, so we don't want any lumps at all in our dough. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, because that's the way that you can help us to grow. So 12 grams of sugar, 7 grams of salt, 14 grams of dry yeast. If you use fresh, just triple the amount of grams, and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. So I'm going to give it a good mix. And make a small well in the middle. So I'm going to be cracking 1 egg. I'm going to be adding the whole egg and give it a good mix, the best you can. And I'm going to be adding water. I used about 400 milliliters. And let's make the dough. But don't forget that every single brand of flour, it may well take more or less water. So I always keep adding water along as it goes. And I'm using warm water. So I started with a spoon, now I'm going to be using my hands, because from now on it's going to be easy, just do it with my hands. So, and as you can see, I'm going to be adding more water along as it goes. So we want the dough not too sticky, as you can see. And I'm going to shape it into a ball. And I'm going to put it inside the bowl. I'm going to cover it and leave it to rest for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, we're gonna need the dough, and I'm gonna be doing this for about another 10 minutes. It's getting nice and smooth. It's not too sticky. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it back in the bowl, and we're gonna cover it. And it's going to be resting for about 2 hours, so it's going to grow. 2 hours later, it just doubled in size. So now what we're going to do, we're going to cut it, and we're going to divide it in 3 different parts, equal parts. So let's sort of stretch the dough, like sort of making a rope. And we're going to be doing 3 of them, obviously. That's the last one. So we're going to be creating a braids with the dough. It's pretty much like ladies do with the hair, so it's quite easy. It just from the edges, pass it to the middle, as you can see, and that's it. Obviously that in both ends you're gonna have to press them so they can stay nice and steady, as you can see. So I'm gonna pass it into a baking tray. I'm always use this fantastic, amazing baking paper with a bit of flour underneath. I'm gonna cover it, and it's gonna rest for another 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, I'm gonna give it a good egg wash. Beautiful. And I'm gonna sprinkle poppy seeds all over. So bake at 240 for about 35 minutes. Until you see that it's nice and golden brown. Wow, looks amazing. Perfect. Look at the sound. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.